Hello and welcome back everybody to another TCG live pack opening. Today we have ourselves 8 Scarlet and Violet base set packs. Starting things off with a Wiglet under the sea and in the coral. Energy Search. Tatsugiri in the shallows with a confused look on his face. We got a Slowbro all spread out and laying down under the very uniquely drawn sun. We have an Annihilate menacingly walking towards us for one of our reverses, and for our rare, ooh! Look at this fancy boy, we got ourselves a Gyarados EX. I like the rainbow iridescence going on here, I'm not quite sure why. Alright, we got a Squobit happily eating some berries on a tree stump. Clawritzer in the lake outside of the Pokémon Center. Rocky Helmet. Rotom above the lighthouse. Krokorok in the castle garden. And Professor's Research. Oh, Hollow Professor Research, I suppose, for our rare. We got ourselves a Scatterbug walking through the city. Pinmord hanging around some construction equipment. Nest Ball. Sanaconda slithering through the desert. Shuppet flying through the city at night. Ooh, we have a Skeledirge breathing flames and smashing up rocks for our rare of the pack. Floetta floating on its flower through the flower fields. Charcadet powering up for a big fire attack. Our confused Tatsugiri in the shallows. We got the Plasticine Stonejourner. Rare candy for our reverse. And for the rare, we have ourselves a Hollow Indeedee, gathering some flowers. And I say we're already about halfway there, boys. We got the Rotom above the lighthouse once again. A Seviper slithering through the forest. Picnic basket. Wiglet looking out into the sea at night. Oh wait, is he? Oh no, it's not night, he's just underwater. Looking out into the depths of the unknown. Oh, we got the Slowpoke coming out the store. I love this full art card, looks really good. And we have an Arbolivia by the pond's edge. Zangoose preparing for a slash attack. Tandemaus hanging around the mushrooms. Fortress stuck to the tree. Scovalion running through the desert. Ooh, I love this one. The colors are beautiful. We got a Toadscruel hauling it through the forest. Excuse me, a Toadscruel hauling it through the forest. Love this art. And then a Professor's Research, the female version. I see that they appear to count for the same, just different art. Alright, Energy Retrieval. Rayolu. Team Star Grunt. Jock. A lot of trainers in this pack. A lot of trainers in this pack. Beach Court for one of our reverses, and the rare is the Annihilate walking towards the camera. Alrighty boys, it has come that time once again to find out is last pack best pack or not. If you're unfamiliar, it's basically finding out is this pack better than all the other ones that we've seen before. If you want some details on the rules, there's a link in the description. Alright, we got ourselves a Tarantula walking through the plains. Charcadet powering up for his Heat Blast. Metachan training on the cliff's edge. Magnemite floating around amongst the lighthouses. Houndstone walking through the graveyard for one of our reverses, and just a regular Professor's Research. Or another Professor's Research, I should say. Which is going to be an unfortunate no for last pack, best pack, boys. Unfortunate. What is this? 20 episodes in a row? Good God. Alrighty, boys. As always, I hope you have enjoyed, and I will see you next time for another TCG Live pack opening.